Hello, Hostess. I am here to tell you how to place your Hostess order. So I sent you an email with your Hostess portal and you clicked on it, you logged in, and this is probably the screen that you see or something very similar. So what you want to make sure to start the order is that you are on orders and you click Hostess, because you are the hostess. And now we are going to just create your order. You can see the rewards that you have earned right here, and we're going to create that order. So here you can shop for retail. Obviously these are full price items. Here you can shop for Hostess credits, so that's anything in the catalog that you want. It will just be taken out of that $110. It's kind of like a gift card. The exclusive offers, you get to choose from, I think, 4 or 5 specific Hostess exclusives curated just for our hostesses. Nobody else can get them. Half off items are just like the Hostess credits. It's just that you're going to be paying 50%. So it's any catalog item, and you can get that for 50% off. And the Hostess special is with 600 plus dollar parties, and that changes monthly. So this month, you'll see me add it to my cart as any item for 80% off. But if you're watching in a different month, that special could be different. So let's go ahead and start with the Hostess credits, because that's always what I'm most excited about. I get to shop with a $110 gift card, and I already know what I want to shop and use my discount on. But if you don't, you can totally scroll through here. If you want a thermal, feel free to explore that a little bit. But if you have your wish list in front of you, then you can actually type the name of the item right in this search bar and it will pull it up for you. That's it. That's exactly what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to my cart, and I'm going to choose Hostess credit. Now I will still have about $60 left to spend, but I want to shop for my Hostess exclusive. So let me show you how we can do that. Let's go ahead and do the Hostess special, since whenever you hover over specials, that does pop up. So if you have a qualifying $600 party or more, you do qualify for a Hostess special. So let's go ahead and add that to our cart. And I want that item to be, oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I guess it's not gonna let me add it. So let's go ahead and do the Hostess exclusive. So this is actually the Hostess exclusive that I am going to choose. Okay, so I'm going to go back to orders, Hostess, edit order. So you can see that I still have $60 remaining, 2 Hostess exclusive off items, and then half off and the Hostess special as well. So right now I'm going to shop for my Hostess exclusives. So you can also find these at the very okay, I guess you have to click on Hostess exclusives in order to find these. So this is the one that I'm going to get. I'm going to personalize it. Okay, I haven't decided actually how I want to personalize it yet, so I will be right back. Okay, this is what I decided on the personalization, so I'm going to click Save and Add to Cart. And you can scroll up and see that it has added to the cart, so I'm going to view my cart and see what I have left. So I still have $60 remaining. I have one more Hostess exclusive offer that I may or may not get. I haven't decided yet. And then I also have a Hostess special, so I can get anything for 80% off this month. So like I said, ask me what your Hostess special is for the current month that you're hosting in, and I can help you out with that. So that gives you all a good indicator of how to create your Hostess order. Kind of play with it. If you have any questions, let me know. At the very end, you're going to begin checkout, and then you're going to add your payment, and save and continue, and I will do the rest from there.